So day 2 at the property. A bit of slow progress today because talking to builders and that kind of thing, but we have got the fire going, which is good. And then I am still clearing this room. It's got part of the wardrobe gone, clearing out that. Got most of that done. A lot of mould to remove, but obviously that's all on the wallpaper stuff. Bit annoying there is a sink here because obviously you've got electrics and then the plumbing and the waste and everything that I've got to sort out and get rid of as well. Get that sorted, and then we are stripping in here. We've had a bit of a disaster. The strip has been on the wall a bit too long. I think it's below the top layer of plaster, but I'm not too sure on that one, so yeah, we'll find out. So some of these screws are impossible to get out, like we can't get them out with a screwdriver, and when you try with a drill it just rounds it, strips it, so I've had to use the good old multi-tool, cut them off, and then I'll figure out something else how to get them out. And then the same with all this wood and stuff. It's an absolute nightmare to get off, so use the old trusty hammer and the crowbar and just rip it off the wall. So, you know. That doesn't work. There we go, pretty tough. There we go. So we have cleared that back wall, and the mould really isn't that bad. Decent sized room as well.
You know, if you need one. Oh, it's okay, I've got one. I want to.
So, found some poppadoms 2013, and we got some homemade jam, which is Feb 2009. So we knew there was a door behind it, like a doorway, but they've actually, the actual door is still there. See, that's the door. So soon we'll be able to open the door.
What, is the door there?
Yeah. So we end of day 2, so we've probably in total been here, I don't know, maybe like a day. Maybe like 6 hours total since we got the keys of actual work that we've done. So we've pretty much all already stripped all there. Done all of this room in here. Done all of this. And then going in, pretty much done, and quite a lot in this bedroom as well. Got that wall stripped. Cupboards out of there, so you do these 2 walls. And then going into this bedroom, we've cleared all of the furniture in there, which is absolutely nightmare. It was so tough to get. I cleared all that. Strip that wall, and then tomorrow we got to just cap off the sink there and get rid of that, clear all that out and get all that stripped in here. Yeah, pretty good progress.